Control and convenience from an app on your phone for the cards in your wallet. CardValet. Choose to receive alerts based on transaction types, merchant types, locations, and spend limit. We'll stay on the lookout, and if there's anything suspicious, you can be notified the moment it happens. Customize your card controls in a variety of ways. Restrict purchases to your location. Even limit the purchase amount. If a purchase doesn't meet your criteria, it's declined. Completely manage your spending by limiting purchases to specific merchant categories, such as restaurants and grocery stores. Approve transaction types made in-store, online, or at the ATM. It's that easy. It's great for controlling and monitoring spending, too. The card can be set to put gas in the car, but not for entertainment. And if you're a small business trying to limit employee expenses, set the card to be used to pick up supplies for the office, but not for personal purchases. You can even lock and unlock your cards. When it's locked, purchases are declined. Unlock it when you're ready to use it again. It's a great way to disable lost or stolen cards and help prevent fraudulent activity. CardValet. Powerful card management at your fingertips.